Hello, boss. Thanks to our customer trust to us, we are about to send a batch of vehicles to the Southeast Asian regions. Let's see how heavy metal those vehicles are. This is a batch of 4x4 off-road vehicle chassis. Although it is only a chassis, but it's equipped with a Cummins engine and automatic transmissions, which allow it with both high performance and easy operation. This is the armored vehicle chassis, but this chassis is equipped with the high and low gear transfer case. It is not only enrich the applicable road condition of the vehicles, but also reduce the wear of the parts and prolongs its life. We are Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicles Company Limited. A real factory provides real factory price and will never reduce our cost and reduce the vehicle's quality.